Hello, you want to see how I achieve this black soup with bitter leaf without palm nut cream or palm oil? Watch this video so you don't miss out. So here is my cow leg and my sharki. I added my pepper, garlic, ginger, onion, blended crayfish and onion. I added my stockfish. I added in hot water from the kettle and I'll cover and cook it for 30 minutes. So yes, after 30 minutes, I'll add in my goat meat and my abordi meat. I'll just push it down and I'll cover and cook it again for another 30 minutes. I added in my cowskin. I'll cover and cook it again for another 15 minutes. So here I'll be adding my blended bitter leaf that I soaked with hot water just to get rid of the sand. I added in my bushmeat and my mackerel fish. For those of you always returning to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you'll be notified. So I'll cook it until it is cooked. So here it is cooked. I'll pair mine with eba. Share this video. I will really appreciate it if you do that. Thank you all. See you in my next video. Bye.